12:51, April 23. PVTA vehicle number 3228 dropped me off. They came from this way. We're getting into residential again. It came down Main Street. Dropped me off here. A couple of white houses. That's Southeast Street right there. Northeast Street. There's Amherst Glass, for which this bus stop is named, and it's opposite on the other side. We have the new sign, but they still have the old one. Best to keep what works in this case. There's a synagogue and two more houses. That's all I have to show you. Now we'll go on to the next one. Step 2 of part 7, 1314. Colonial Southeast has a bus stop here and the shelter over there. 3221 dropped me off. It comes this way. I have at least the first three digits of the number correct. It comes south on Southeast Street, then makes this right into Colonial Village, or Colonial Estates. And we'll go, the next one will pick me up and go that way. Like this. As long as I'm near the sign, they shouldn't have any problem. (1321) PVTA vehicle 3221 dropped me off. They sped away before I can film them. Funny, there's no sign right here, but they use the bench. You do have the usual sign bench, the full sign bench and shelter on the other side. This is marked as a no stopping area, where you can't stop in here for anything. I don't want to film the front of them, but that's the Colonial Village mailboxes. There's more of the Colonial Village apartments. Again, since this to be safe, I need to stay at station premises, which in this case is the gray concrete pad minus the street. They have a volleyball court as well. Kind of have to learn where your apartment is, as these are dispersed. It's not one building. So I'll see you on the next one. It's getting quieter as we go southeast. 1836, 3301 just dropped me off. This is Rolling Green Apartments. They're actually up there. All we have is a sign somewhere to the other, stop at the other end. About right there. (3301) came down to here, dropped me off, and continued onward to Old Belchertown Road. Not much going on here, just a lot of traffic passing through. That's Old Farm Road, and there continues this Gatehouse Road over here. Valley Medical is the next, the last segment of this part. 54 PVTA vehicle 3401 just let me off. That's one of the bendy buses. This is Valley Medical. Let me clean off the lens. There we go. Parking lot. And no, I'm not seeing, the camera can't see any license plates. It comes in from, takes the left off of Old Belchertown Road, stops right here, makes that U-turn. A bendy can, they made the turnaround so a bendy can fit. Don't want to film that license plate. Wow, that's a tight bend. For safety, the 30 PVTA 30 can only stop here on its way towards Old Belchertown Road like this. Notice what I did. It can't. Well, they can. The TA doesn't want. The PVTA doesn't want. This has some difficulty with that left turn. Maybe they still have a that pharmacy or some vending machine where the pharmacy was. This is the end of part 7.